I bought a Mercedes-Benz CLS at a roadside repair shop for 38,000 yuan, and after refurbishing it, it cost 200,000 yuan.
The doctor scored well.
Chinese lady. Driving with a sense of art, the whole network is just the two of us, who will be the master of the number of pieces on the ground.
You can pick it up yourself. So, what's the point? You also have to shoot the chassis of the pickpocket to the end.
We tacitly cooperated, and directly let the engine be separated, and since we were determined to have a fetus, we would go to death. The space is separated by a horizontal palace. Now it's the turn of the cotters to come into Hong Kong, and it's frozen. The foam inside and outside the car is full, and the foam is casually stowed. After all, to do the film, it must be clean inside and out. Enter the magic time. The whole car is painted. The whole vehicle must be thoroughly cleaned. Why is it so special? Because the capacitors of the whole car are still spiritual. This can be the core technology of the main engine yard production. When we do old car renewal, we must also achieve a standard for core cars. With more knowledge of nuclear species, it is true that there are no nuclides on the surface of the main weapon. The watch strip can be further cleaned, and the linear electric machine will not be impressed with success. Then he hooked the pants of the continued flame with the last sharp mouth. Only use the virtual ion mouth
to completely remove the sports residue on its own surface. Now it is the climax of this new renewal, the film industry. Subsequently, the soldiers prepared for the film in the wave of movement. This piece of gold melted nanoscale is uniform. Finally, it is formed into a super strong anti-sleeve protection layer, which effectively resists corrosion, and the body is reset to the standard of anti-sleeve in new cars. 200 degree high temperature air outlet, solidifying the electric cam. The German import card has to be used for the German game, and it must be developed and paid for the water application game, so that it can be worthy of its system. The brother and the team reached the dream of laughter. The opening step makes the wiring technique annoying, and the front wiring technique is clean, and the new package drawing is renewed.
The meaning of the old car mainly comes from the center and sound insulation. Redo soundproofing on the network's camera has a creator group.
This issue of capacitors has come to an end, and the next issue will be a comprehensive overhaul of machinery. It is hoped that when the roar of our engine sounds again, it will prove that the true scriptures will never end.